Recently, there was a news which said that 7 of the private universities and colleges scored a ranking above IISc, which is the top in the case of NIRF ranking. Now, in this scenario, when I'm going for admission to colleges, what should I check? Should I go by the NAAC rankings or the NIRF ranking? The NAAC accreditations or the NIRF ranking. The clear difference that we would understand here is NIRF is the ranking which occurs on a yearly basis and it is based on outcomes. So definitely it talks about the quality of the students, the quality of the publication and graduation outcomes. However, NAAC on the other hand focuses more on the input. So it talks about the curriculum, the infrastructure, the support system, governance, leadership within the system. So in the blue, as you can see here, is the parameters that are taken for NAAC. On the other side, in the yellow, are the parameters which are taken for NIRF ranking. Now, you have to decide based on this that NIRF would be a good marker when you are going for admissions into universities and colleges, because sometimes it so happens that when I'm talking about input criteria, I can say yes, there is an infrastructure, there is a placement cell, but when I go to the university to get that department, the placement cell, there is no one, it's just a physical building. So that should not be the case. Another good idea is if the universities that you are looking to apply are close or have proximity to your hometown, a good idea is to just go once and see the department before you want to enroll yourself. But take a wise decision. Your bachelor's and your master's from a good university do matter a lot.